Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this class we will try to learn how to set up different files and folders to actually create our first web pages. So while designing a new web page or websites, it is very important to organize different files and folders properly so that it will be easier to use or link different documents within our HTML pages or within our web pages. So let's get started. So to start off, while creating any web page or website, the first thing what we have to do is we have to create a folder. That means we have to collect different files which we'll be using inside our web pages. So I'll go ahead and then create a new folder, and then I will give the name as HTML5. So instead of HTML5, you can give any name like the name of the website or the name of the documents you are currently working with. So try to give the website name or the name of the page you are creating. Alright, now let's go inside this HTML5 folder. So inside this folder we have to create a different files. Like basically in a website we may have an audio, video, and then we may have a JavaScript, CSS, and so on. So we have to create a folder inside this parent folder. So let's go ahead. For now we will try to create only some directories. Audio, let's say you are going to use audio, video. After that let's give images. After that, if you have documents, and then later on like CSS, JavaScript, and so on, we can all the folder for all of these things. Now suppose like you are going to use an images, it does not mean that you have to name that folder name as images. You can give any name, but make sure that it is relatable so that it will be easier to remember, and then while using it, it will be easier to use it inside our web pages. So try to give a relevant name. It can be like images or images for background, images for gallery, and so on. So after that, the next step is we have to place different contents we have to collect. So let's for now I will try to give only an image. Okay, now I already have an image which I will be using inside my web page. So if the names are too long, you can rename it. After that, you can name it as 1 2 3 or image 1, or like if you are going to use in a slider, slider 1, slider 2, 3, 4, so on. So you can give a name that is more relatable so that it will be easier to use inside our web pages. Now uh, the same thing, you can add in audio, videos, or if you have a documents, you can create a folder and then add all those documents which you want to use inside your web pages. Okay, after that, after creating all of this parent folder and then all these subfolders, when you actually write your web page or create your web page, while saving it, always try to remember to save it inside your parent directory, which means inside this you can save it out here, not inside the subfolder. You can just simply save inside your parent folder or directory. So that is how we have to set up different folders and then organize those directories accordingly before starting to create your uh, web pages. So that's all. From next classes we will try to build our web pages. So try to create all those folders and then organize and then paste all of these different contents inside the subfolders. So that's all. See you in the next class. Thank you.